Hey Xbox fans, I have another awesome unboxing. In this video, we have the newest member of the Xbox Cipher Controller family, the Ghost Cipher. This controller looks absolutely incredible with its hauntingly transparent case. During this unboxing, I felt like a ghost hunter, uncovering the mysteries inside this ethereal device. We also love hearing from our amazing community, so let us know what you think about the brand new Ghost Cipher. And if you haven't already, please think about hitting that subscribe button. Go on. I can wait. Oh, and while you're there, please hit the like button for more awesome unboxing videos. The Ghost Cipher has a jaw-dropping transparent design, with a ghostly clear top case and side cap that let you peek into the futuristic metallic and silver interior. How cool is that? Feast your eyes on the extravagant metallic gold D-pad, gleaming like treasure, complemented by the two-tone thumbstick with a sleek white base and light grey tops. This isn't just a controller, it's a masterpiece. Want to make it even more personal? Customize your button mapping with the Xbox Accessories app and make your gaming experience truly yours. And guess what? Capturing your epic moments has never been easier. Thanks to the dedicated share button, snap screenshots, record the best plays, and share them with the world effortlessly. On the top of the controller, we'll find the gold triggers that not only look super luxurious, but also help me hold on tight with textured grips on the triggers, bumpers, and back case. It's like having the golden ticket for your fingers. The Ghost Cipher controller also includes the Xbox wireless and Bluetooth technology for wireless gaming on console, PC, mobile phones, and tablets, allowing me to Xbox anywhere. Don't forget you can also connect a USB-C cable or an add-on like the stereo headset adapter. The rubberized light grey grips on the back case feel so comfortable to hold on to, especially during those marathon gaming sessions where I just can't put the controller down. And guess what? With up to 40 hours of battery life, you won't need to worry about your controller dying in the middle of an epic boss battle. Just think of it as your trusty sidekick that never sleeps. When everyone has gone to bed, I can plug in with any compatible headset with the 3.5mm audio jack and stealthily become the ghostly gamer of the night. Silent but spooky. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? The Xbox controller and your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription is your ticket to unlocking the thrilling gaming experience across console, PC, mobile, and tablets. Xbox wants to bring the joy of gaming to everybody on the planet. So get ready to elevate your gaming adventures. Grab an Xbox controller, a Game Pass Ultimate subscription, and let the fun begin.
Can I have a turn next? Let me have a go.
Can you even hold a controller? That's it for now, gaming wizards, but don't despair just yet. More epic updates are coming your way. Smash that like button, subscribe, and share with your fellow gamers. Leave a comment if you've got a ghostly gaming tale to tell. And for a treasure trove of other Xbox wireless controller designs, please visit xbox.com. Thanks for watching, and may your gaming adventures be legendary.